Hello guys, today we are going to review Season 11 cars. So I'll meet you at the Season 11. And first we have the 100 trophy car. The lights are pretty good, and the wheels, if you put it in the off-road wheel, it is pretty great at racing. And the interior is very great, and the exhaust is pretty great too, and we are going to test it. Okay, we are doing one race, one lap. It's really fast. The speed is 106. And the handling is pretty good as well. Just wait for the butterfly. We have the 900 trophy car. The height is pretty great. It is the wheels are pretty ginormous, and the lights and the interior is pretty good as well. And the look of the car is pretty cool. It's pretty cool too. And we are going to test drive it too. 70,000 trophy car. It is pretty small and sometimes it is hard to drive. Yeah, I like the spoilers and the look of the car is pretty great too. And the lights and the interior is pretty good as well. And we are going to just drive it too. Okay. Just the speed of this is 240 of the handles. Sometimes it is going to test drive it. The last is the 7,000 trophy car. The headlights are pretty cool too and the interior is so fire. And the wheels and the is pretty cool. And it is fast too and look, the back is cool too and it is pretty fast. So we're going to just the sky is fire. And the speed of this is 228 and the handling is 9.1. So it is great. It is cool too. And the name is the Hyperlux Desert. And it is pretty great at racing too. And it is cool. That's all we have for 7K trophy car. And that is all we have for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.